everybody. Today we're gonna make a slime. So,
what color are you making?
我们要做的是史莱姆。
What are you
我们现在所以你需要的 ingredients.
This. You don't really need.
Shut up. 就是我们需要的是胶水。
Salt water?
No. 这叫做
Borax.
OK， 这叫做硼砂。
No, it's borax.
这是硼砂水，就是硼砂加水。然后
This
这
is
是我们的颜色。
borax in water
然后还有搅拌器。
and spinning things.
好，开始做 ，Start。
Cutter. And we're gonna race who makes the best one.
对
Let's see.
谁做的最漂亮？记得说我。
She don't have any brain.
先加胶水 ，first
It's my turn.
glue。
This is
看你要多少，也就是看你 How much glue do you want? Your choice. Next thing， 下一个水。
Why don't you just say the water? You don't have to say
That's
shui.
enough. Now， 搅拌
How many? 2 drops?
maybe. Dude, that's enough. OK， 现在硼砂水。
What is that?
硼砂水
No! In English.
I don't remember.
Borax water.
Is it borax water? Okay, it's borax water.
I
You can
haven't
see
even put any
it's
borax.
look like a slime already.
No! Look at mine! Because I haven't even added any borax.
You are so annoying. And I'm gonna add the food coloring.
Ugh.
I am gonna make yellow.
Oh, she's gonna make
Yeah.
I'm making
Yellow and blue.
I'm making green.
Look at that beautiful yellow.
No, it looks terrible.
What? I need borax water. Don't put it away.
Hey, what do you?
I think it looks wonderful.
It looks
Like dream come true.
Help this.
Dude, that's enough.
Not enough for me.
It's already look like my beautiful slime. Who's that?
That was meow.
That's sushi.
Sushi.
Sorry, baby.
We have to work on the roof. We don't get anything, but the kids get wages.
That was our dad. You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Borax. I love my borax.
Too much borax. Okay, forgot to tell you guys. Too much borax. This is what it's gonna look like.
Totally awful.
What?
That's not light enough.
Dude, what have you done to your slime?
你用了什么颜色？
I use blue and this color.
What's this color?
Blue and yellow. And you're goldy yellow.
Yes, mine is
Mine is
golden.
terrible green.
So sad.
Not enough.
That's too much.
Too much, heard that? Dude, you can't add too much water.
It's actually just cream.
Oops, too much water.
Too much water, it'd be so sticky. So you can see mine's like slime. Don't touch it. Dirty. So now you can see my slime. Hi, Sushi. Slime.
I need more.
No, we don't.
That's a lot, man.
I need more.
This is what you're supposed to come out.
所以要很黏，对不对？可以拉长。
It's sticky, and
It's
when it
turbo.
fall down, it's not like this. That's not right. It's supposed to
算
be
了，
like
这个是第二次做
this
的
is，second time I made.
第二次做的。
Not working out good.
This is bouncy, which is, it's not supposed to come out like this. But if you like it, yeah, you can make it. Just add a lot of borax in it. And then this one is a successful what I wanted. See? And it could go like, it's just like stretchy. Stretchy. And I'll show you the other cutters we made. Here.
Don't touch my baby.
中文跟英文都讲了。
Okay, 我会讲的.
You
This is
take.
green, 绿色.
That's white.
White, 白色.
Purple.
No, this is not purple. This is pink. 粉红色. 还有 purple, 紫色. 和 blue, 蓝色.
让我看一下，可以借一下看。
And this is called ocean blue.
Ocean blue。
And it's quite fun too. You
这
just
是什么？那是海蓝色。哦，你的意思说是海蓝色，而且可以拉很长，对不对？
so pretty. It's garbage. Back in my box. And this is
这些
called
颜色。
fail.
然后那个是第二次做失败，
它没有办法stretch. Just
啊，
allow.
不能拉得长了。
Just do this. Too much this 太多那个硼砂，也就是 too much borax 就会成型。
Mine's like garbage.
Are you almost done, Ty? Yes, done.
Mine's not even close to be made.
No, it's been 8 minutes.
Hey, what do you feel like?
Don't touch it! He's so slow. I'm gonna keep making other colors.
Okay, make one more.
I'm gonna make.
I'm just gonna be slacker to spin it.
I'm thinking.
Wait, Ty, can I see your...
I'm gonna make
Poop cutter?
orange. Yes. We got pink. So let's start.
And your poop cutter.
You can vote for me because I'm so better than him. Okay. So do this. Some glue and some water.
And put down, which is just a little.
点点水，
Guys, you have to push on like, okay?
不是上。
Please, press on like right down below. I'm not sure where. Because I can't see right now.
Are you gonna put a like on that?
Yes. Even though you don't like it. Even though you think I'm so
this,
better
put
than
this.
him.
You see this? Push it.
Well,
Push
actually,
it 1 million
we're not
times.
sure. Is it this way or is it pressing like this way? I think it's this way and this way. Like that. You're supposed to press this way. Yeah.
Never push this one on likes. Never push this one. Push this one.
Yeah.
If you don't like, you push this one. Okay.
I am
terrible.
so annoying.
Yep.
You are so annoying.
Look
Yep.
at mine, like jelly. Like jelly.
Do not do this at home. Do not.
Do
Make sure
what
you
I
have
do.
parents around you, and make sure you have a
Placemat.
placemat under when you're making, because this is what happened if you don't have placemat. Da,
Okay,
da, da, da.
wipe it, please.
Wipe it up. Now I'm gonna put my cutter, which is I'm gonna have some pink. We don't want too much pink. 1 drop should be enough.
I need more borax.
It reminds me of a song.
You should sing a song.
I can't.
Sing a Borax song.
It's called
Borax
Magic
song.
Potion.
Mine's
And
not-
one of the
Look at what am mine doing?
gross. Yeah, I'm sure you could vote for me. It's so better than him.
Egg spilling. This is how you do eggs. In
No,
a
you're
slimy
so-
way.
No, you're supposed to do faster, like this.
It's just too slimy.
Oh, this so look like egg.
Slimy way. If you want to do this, don't do mine. Do my
This is
sister's.
called
Don't
egg.
copy yours.
Oh! So this is my
That was-
orange. Too sticky. More borax. Don't hurt the cat. That's
Is that
sushi.
where's her? What's that
That's
sushi day?
That's she.
Yeah, that's true.
She is her name. Don't, it's a boy, okay? She is her name. Don't think that's a girl. It's a boy.
Oh God, that one's come out. Let me touch
How's
it.
yours? Dude, you need a lot more borax.
A lot more? You sure?
So this is what mine turned out. So beautiful.
So terrible.
It's not working.
That's why I call it terrible.
This is why I call him annoying.
You're pretty
Well,
annoying.
so it's like that. What turns
My
out?
poop cutter.
Not very well. Hey, at least it's better than this.
Fail. I'm not
This is
sure if
called-
this one's failing, but
Oh, I just got a plan.
this
I
is
hope it
gonna
doesn't
stir
stick.
for
Because I'm
days.
going to
Stir
take
for
out
days.
the egg yolk. I mean, the egg white. I can't fight for that.
So, dude.
And then we're going to add some egg yolk. Professional egg. Will you look at that? Amazing egg. Can I take it off?
Turbo.
No!
Mine's not working good.
It looks okay. I hope it's okay. This is okay.
Make one more.
This is called the slowest man ever making slime.
Are you like
It's just terrible.
Okay, that's it.
my
I'm
video
helping him.
is like 13 minutes now.
If that fails, it's not my fault.
Yep, it's not my fault.
Why are you putting so much?
Because he has a lot of glue in here.
No, I actually put too much glue.
And you got chunks in here. Because you're too slow. And you made a lot. You made 2 times, right? First you add a little bit of glue and you add more and more. That's going to make chunks. Do not do that.
You have to do that. It won't work if you don't do that. And this is what will happen if you did it wrong.
Actually, it's quite good.
This is what happened. This is the awfulest one ever made. Look at it. It's
So
like,
this is more awful.
look at it. It's the same as that one. Look.
No, it's not.
You have to do it super slow. Terrible.
So now you can see.
Look, it's terrible.
Okay, go. How fast am I in this?
My sister is so bad at this.
You take that word. You take it back.
Ty, she's helping you.
So?
Hmm?
I'm gonna make one more.
No, you're done. Got 15 minutes.
Done.
Oh, try it.
If you think it's too sticky, then add more to it. Okay, then
It's like chicken. You. Aww.
I'm taking that chicken off. So now we're gonna.
Chicken bomb.
So this is my brother's.
It worked out like a bowl nice.
Because I helped you.
It worked out like a ball bearing. Like,
So you can add this.
woo! Woo!
I have lost the bowl.
Woo! Woo! You gotta pay me one. Woo! Woo!
I'm lucky that it didn't stick.
Woo! Woo!
But it's so good. Yeah, look at that. So this is what happens if you let me, Tia, the professional, make this.
If you let Tia the bad.
This is mine.
No!
Take that word back.
Take that word back.
Do it. You said I'll take it back.
You take it back. You have to take it back.
Okay. Say it.
Take it back.
Bye-bye.
No, not yet.
Bye-bye.
No, guys. Sorry.
Just cut it.
Just don't cut it. Don't cut it. Please don't.
Just cut it.
Don't.
Bye-bye.
No, bye.